Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job here this morning. Back deck, fire pit, going down to a boat dock. So it's kind of a little bit chilly out here this morning. We started early. Got a real busy day today, but we got to get this knocked out. Today we're going to do the cleaning, get everything prepped, and then we'll come back tomorrow to lay the sealer down. So let me take you a walk back and show you what we got. Okay, so we got this decking up front here. We got a lot of weeds and growth inside this. The decking over to here. And a walkway comes down along this side. Over to a nice little fire pit area. Get all this taken care of. And continues on down to the boat dock. I have a previous video. We were here close to a year ago and cleaned this dock and boathouse out for him. It was pretty bad, but still looking good right now. All right, well, that's our project for this morning. We work and get all this cleaned up and prepped for cleaning and sanding. All right, so let's get busy. Okay, so we treated for our efflorescence. We did the point break for the organic cleaner. Now we're going to neutralize, and that'll take care of this for today. And let me show you what we're doing here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me show you what it looks like right now. Yep, all the sand's out. All the organics are cleaned out of it now. Everything's neutralized. This is going to get platinum sand with the Hurricane Cat 5. We'll do 2 coats, but it'll really look sharp. We'll do all these capstones and walls as well. Really pretty property. All right. Yeah, it's looking sharp now. Okay, we'll see you back here in the morning. All right, so we're back at the paver sealing job here this morning. We've already went and sanded, got everything prepped and ready to go. So we're getting ready to put the sealer down. Let me walk you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got all the sand in there. We used platinum sand on this. It just really makes this pop now. And same way with down along the sidewalk. Fire pit area, everything's sanded and blown off and ready to put some Cat 5 down here this morning. I'm just putting a little bit of a barrier here along the concrete edging. We're going to use our shield, but I just want to make sure we don't get any onto the actual concrete. All right, so it's time to mix up some Cat 5 and get moving here. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me show you what the final results are. Yeah, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Hurricane Cat 5. Just absolutely gorgeous. We did all the walls, all the sails on it as well. Yeah, that's beautiful. This is a perfect shine on it. Okay, well, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Sealing and Pressure Washing. If these are the kind of results you're looking for on your pavers, give us a call, 813-853-3557. We'll see you at the next job.